How should I allocate my TSP? Strategic TSP, Thrift Savings Plan allocation is essential for long-term retirement success. With several fund options, from government securities to international stocks, understanding how to balance your investments can help you grow your savings while protecting against market risks. Get free Gold IRA guide and learn how to diversify your retirement with gold. Click the link below in the description to get it. 1. Know your TSP fund options. G Fund, U.S. government securities. Low risk, steady returns. Best for capital preservation. F Fund, bonds. Slightly higher risk and return than G Fund. Good for income and inflation protection. C Fund, tracks S&P 500. High growth, high risk. Ideal for long-term growth. S Fund, small and mid-sized companies. Higher growth and volatility. Suited for aggressive investors. I Fund, international stocks. Offers global diversification but carries currency and geopolitical risk. L Funds, life cycle funds that adjust your asset mix automatically based on your retirement target date. 2. Match allocation with your age and risk tolerance. Younger investors, more time to recover from losses. Favor C, S, and I funds. Nearing retirement, focus on safety. Shift towards G and F funds. 3. Sample allocation strategies. Conservative, low risk, G, 50%, F, 30%, C, 10%, S, 5%, I, 5%. Balanced, moderate risk, G, 25%, F, 15%, C, 30%, S, 15%, I, 15%. Aggressive, high risk, G, 10%, F, 5%, C, 40%, S, 30%, I, 15%. 4. Adjust based on market conditions. In downturns, move more into G and F funds. In strong markets, increase exposure to C and S funds for growth. 5. Consider adding a gold IRA. TSP doesn't include gold or other precious metals. Rolling over part of your TSP into a gold IRA can protect against inflation. Diversify your portfolio. Offer stability during economic crises. Steps to rollover. Confirm TSP rollover eligibility, usually after leaving federal service. Choose a gold IRA custodian. Transfer funds penalty-free into a self-directed IRA. Invest in IRS-approved gold or silver. To answer, how should I allocate my TSP? Build a mix that fits your age, risk level, and market outlook. Consider diversifying further with a gold IRA for added financial security. Do you want to learn about how to secure your retirement with gold investment? Download your free Gold IRA guide now. Click the link below in the description to get it. Like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.